Okay, 5th grade, lesson 14, and this is on missing numbers and subtraction. Now, we learned about missing numbers with adding the other day, okay? Now, here's what I want to show you. It's kind of cool about subtraction, okay? Let me put 2 problems up here. Of course, this one's going to be adding, but I want you to see something, okay? Okay, now, when I read this down, I would say 3 plus 4 equals 7, okay? And then watch what happens. If I were to move up with this problem, 7 minus 4 equals 3. See how that works? 3 plus 4 equals 7, and 7 minus 4 equals 3. Me just showing you something, okay? But look at this one right here, okay? 9 minus 5 equals 4. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Isn't that cool that you can kind of read down, read up, okay, with problems? All right, now, let's take this big problem. These are bigger numbers. 68 minus 45 equals 23. So guess what? Since I'm minusing down, I'm going to plus up. 23 plus 45 equals 68. Isn't that cool? How you can just look at it and see that? All right, try this one. To reverse this, we would say 23 plus 45 equals 68. See that? 23 plus 45 equals 68, or I could say 68 minus 45 equals 23. Okay? So just learning how to do that. All right? Now, let's try missing numbers. F minus 15 equals 24. Okay. Do you remember when we were doing down and up? Okay, I could read down something minus 15 equals 24. And then let's read up. 24 plus 15 equals our F. Okay, do you see how that works? Mm-hmm. Okay, if you don't think that, if that kind of is a struggle for your mind, here's another way to think. You can think to yourself, which is my biggest number in this problem?
24.
Okay. Do I need a bigger number than 24 to go here to then take away 15 from it and get 24, or do I need a smaller number?
Smaller.
Well, if I have smaller than 24, let's just say I had 23. Say I had 23 minus 15, is that going to give me 24? No, it's going to be a really small number. So I need a bigger number than 24 up here, because then I'm going to take away 15 from it and get 24 as my answer. So if I want a bigger number, how do I get bigger?
Add.
Add. And what 2 numbers do we have?
15 and 24.
24 and 15. Very good. So let's add those. 24 and 15 is 39. Is that right? Let's try it. 39. Okay. 9 take away 5. Is that 4? Yes. 3 take away 1. Is that 2? Yes. Means we got it right. F equals 39. Okay? Good job. Let's try another one. You understanding it?
Mm-hmm.
Which way do you like better?
The first one.
The first way, going up and down, reading it. Okay? That's fine. All right, try this one. 45 minus S equals 21. Okay, so if you were reading it up and down, you would say 45 minus something equals 21. So 21 plus something equals 25. Now this one's a tricky one because we still don't know what that something is. Okay, so let's use the other method on this one. Look at the biggest number, which is what?
45.
45. Okay, and am I going to need a bigger number than 45 or a smaller number? Well, let's say we had a bigger number. Can you subtract a bigger number from that? No, because you need the biggest number on top. So a bigger number won't work, will it? Okay, so I need a smaller number. So if I put a smaller number than this in there, I will likely get 21. How do I get small? Add or subtract? Subtract. So let's take the 2 numbers that we have, 45 minus 21. And I end up getting 24. Now, Are we done? No, because we need to take it and put it back in here and see if we are right. 45 minus 24. 4 from 5 is 1, 2 from 4, 2. Very good. So that means we got it right. Okay? You want to try another one? You want to come up here and try it? N minus 24 equals 48. Now, you can use the up and down method if you want to, or the other.
How?
Just by looking at it. Which method do you want to use?
48 plus 24.
Yes. Okay?
I would add those?
Yes.
And that'd be the answer?
Well, you tell me. Okay? So if I'm looking at it using that method, can I add those two? Because right now I'm subtracting down, so I'm going to add up. Can I add those two up and get an answer? Yes. It's when you have a missing number right here that you struggle because you can't add up because this plus this doesn't equal anything. See what I'm saying? So when the n is in this spot, it's a good time to do that add up method. Okay? So, if you don't think of it like that, what you could do is you can look at this number and go, okay, this is the big number, 48. Do I need a bigger number than 48 to go here? And then I'm going to take away 24 to get this? Or do I need a smaller? Well, I definitely need something bigger because I'm taking 24 from it. So to get big, you add. Okay, very good, which you've already discovered that. So go on and do that for me. Very good. Okay, so let's put it back in there. Does n equal 72? Let's try it. Okay, 4 take away 2, we got to borrow 1. 4 from 12 is 8. 2 from 6 is 4. Very good. Excellent job. That is lesson 14.